Hi guys, how are you guys doing? Today I would like to give you all a very short demo on using Bubbles product. So here goes. At first, I'm going to use the pink clay mask, which is the Bubbles Glow Fresh pink clay mask, and then I will use the rest of the skincare range. So check it out. Hi guys, so I have done the mask. I've washed it off, so now it feels so clean and fresh. Now I'm going to show you all how I start my skincare routine, a very simple one. So I'm going to use my toner, my pomegranate essence, and then I'm going to use my serum plus the rice water cream. Okay, okay, so let's get on to it. Now that you've exfoliated your skin using the toner, so you can use the pomegranate essence. I have my own bottle here, so I'll use mine. Shake the bottle, pump it to your palm, rub it. Alright, next will be the serum. Once you feel it's a bit dry already, okay, so now you can use the just one pump for the section. Rub it and apply. When it's done, I will apply the rice water cream. So you only need very and you're done. It's not oily, it's really hydrating, and it helps to brighten the skin as well. So hope this helps, and I'll see you in my next post. Thank you.